Investment banking is not just about analyzing markets or recommending portfolios, but it's also about safeguarding assets. And that's where fund accounting plays a critical role. Hi, I'm Aishwarya from Amrita School of Business Coimbatore, and I'm excited to share that I've been placed at BNY in fund accounting, which is even more special because that's where my interest area aligns. When I first stepped into ASB, I honestly didn't believe that I'd be saying this after a year, but trust me, this place has got a way of transforming you even without you realizing it. From professors who don't just teach but literally push you to think differently, to placement sessions that help me understand the interview and selection process as a fresher and prepared me to face it with confidence, ASB has played a huge role in helping me grab this opportunity. The support is not just academics, it's personal, it's constant, and it's real. From mock interviews to profile building guidance sessions, alumni sessions, or the last minute you got this pep talks, ASB has always been there. I'm truly grateful for my faculty, my mentors, and my peers for keeping the energy always alive. So here goes a big thank you to ASB for supporting me, guiding me, and helping me take this big step towards my career at BNY. Excited for what's ahead. Thank you.